Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is from amandahair. So I'm showing you guys their 6x4 lace closure wig. This wig is supposed to be 100% glueless. It does come pre-cut, pre-plucked. The lace looks like it has like minimal knots, bye-bye knots, bleached knots, whatever. I currently have this wig in 30 inches and I believe this is 180% density. However, they do have 250% density. They also have 300% density, and this wig even comes longer than 30 inches. But right now the 30 inch is on sale for $199.99. So if this is something that you have been waiting for, I highly suggest you go ahead and check it out. The hair was really pretty. It was really soft. It was really flowy. There was no shedding, and the lace was really nice as well. And I love the fact that they went ahead and cut the lace for you, and of course the plucking was up to par, so they did a really good job. As usual, I'm gonna have all the information listed in my description box down below, but let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so as always, I'm just going to add some foundation all over this lace. Now, as you guys saw earlier, this wig cap does come with the drawstring, so I will be making use of that. You guys have seen me do that a bunch of times. I'm also going to be adding a little bit of lace melting spray as well. Now, the only thing that I did not utilize was this lace tape. They only sent one pair, so after you use the tape that's currently on the wig, that's pretty much all that you have. I'm not sure if you order it on your own, if they'll send you extras, but mine didn't come with extras, so just keep that in mind. However, I did not utilize them. I'm not really too big of a fan when it comes to lace tape. I've promoted it before, but you know, I really don't like the way it lays on my edges, so that's that. So anyways, I'm going in with the drawstring. I'm tightening this entire wig cap. The drawstring not only tightens the back of the wig cap, but it tightens the lace area as well. Alright, so now it's time to style the rest of the hair, and as you guys can see, it's kind of giving like a loose water wave type of texture. So I love this type of texture mostly because I don't really have to do too much. So I will be going in with the middle part. I'm also going to be adding some baby hairs later on, just so you are aware. Completely optional, it's up to you. But when I add the middle part, I need to secure it down. So I'm going in with some wax stick as well as my hot comb just to keep the part in place. Then I'm going to add some water and just a little bit of gel on the hair. You can add as much product as you like. You can add no product. I've done that before. It really helps the hair to be very flowy. But if you would like the curls to be a little bit more defined, then you would go in with some more product. So it's really up to you, and you do not have to use gel. You can use mousse if you like. Okay, you guys, that is it for today's wig install. Comment down below, let me know what you think. You guys know I love to keep wigs like this extremely simple. My wig installs in general are very simple. I don't like to do too much. I'm sorry, I'm not that girl. If y'all are bored by now, I apologize, but I'm doing me. Anyways, I love the way that this hair came out. I love the fact that it took me like less than 30 minutes to install and style. And who doesn't love them a nice 30-inch curly wig? It looks really pretty. They did a really good job with that lace also. So make sure you guys go ahead and you click the link in my description box. This is a great wig for beginners. I know summer is coming to an end, but you can still have this wig in your collection. Take advantage of the sale that's going on right now. A 30-inch wig for $199 is great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you like and comment, and I will see you guys next time.